everyone. Welcome back to the maths class of Mount Litra Z School, Surat. In today's session, I'm going to start new chapter, that is perimeter and area. What is perimeter? The perimeter of a figure is the distance all the way around the figure. What is perimeter? The perimeter, how can you find the perimeter? The perimeter is found by adding the length of the sides together. Can you see? The given shape is a rectangle, and perimeter suggests it is the distance all the way around the figure. So that means you have to calculate, you have to find the perimeter of it, and if you add all the distance together, that easily you can calculate the perimeter of the figure, right? Find the perimeter of the figures. So you can see the different figures we have, and that we have to find out the perimeters. How will you calculate? How will you find the perimeter? By adding the given length of the figures. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, because the distance is given in meter, and that is 6 meter, and 4 sides are given because it's a square. So adding all the sides together, you can calculate the perimeter. Here in question B, 9 centimeter plus 8 plus 4 centimeter, that will come 21 centimeter. Now these two C and D parts are given irregular shapes, so that also you can easily calculate by adding the sum of all the sides. Now, perimeter of a square. A square is a figure with 4 equal sides, right? That's the definition of square. Perimeter can found by adding all 4 sides together, or it can also be found by multiplying the side length by 4. Why by 4? Because 4 sides are given and all the 4 sides are equal in case of square. So the formula for the perimeter of a square is 4s. That means 4 into side. So two ways you can calculate the perimeter of a square. Either you can do side plus side plus side plus side together, or else 4 into side by using the formula, right? Now you can see all the 4 figures are square. So 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, that would come 36, or in the shorter way you can go with 4 into side. Now what is the side given? That is 9 meter, right? In this case this is given 9 meter. So 4 into side, what does it side? That is 9 meter. So 4 into 9, 36 meter is your answer. Now question B, here the same, because here you can see the definition of it. Perimeter can be found by adding all the 4 sides together. So you have 2 options, 2 ways to do this. Side plus side plus side plus side. Now 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, that will come 28 inches, because the figure is given in inches, or by formula 4 into side. So 4 into 7, that is 28 inches. Clear? So that way easily you can calculate. Now perimeter of rectangle. A rectangle is a figure with 4 sides. Opposite sides are equal. This also can be found by adding all the 4 sides together. It can also be found by adding twice the width. Why? Because the width is given twice, because in rectangle opposite sides are equal, right? So twice we are going to calculate. So the formula for the perimeter of rectangle is twice of width plus twice of length, or else you can do 2 into length plus breadth or width, twice of it. So 2 into what is length? 12. What is breadth? 3. So 2 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15. 2 into 15, that is 30 centimeter. This way. Or side plus side plus side, length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So 12 plus 3 plus 12 plus 3, it will come 30 centimeter. Clear? This way you can. Now area. The area of a figure is the number of square units that cover the surface of the closed figure. Now how many square units inside this? That are 45 square units. Area of square. So the area of a square is found by finding how many square units it takes to cover its surface. How many units are going to take place? 45 square units. It can also be found by multiplying the side length by its side length, or the same way, shorter way, the area can be calculated as product of its dimensions, right? So side into side in case of area of square. Find the area of squares using the formula. So here side into side, how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4. Lengthwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So side into side, 4 4s are 16 square centimeter, and this unit comes in squares. Area. Here also side into side, 5 into 5, 25. Here, because this is a square, all sides would be equal, 9, 9, 9. So the area of square says side into side, 9 into 9, that is 81 square feet. What does it give in? Feet. So that will come in square. 7 into 7, 49. Area of rectangle. The area of rectangle is found by finding how many square units it takes to cover its surface. It can also be found by multiplying its length by its width. Length into breadth. Area of rectangle. Product of its dimensions. Now here length and breadth is given. Length is 6, breadth is 4. So L into B, 6 into 4, that is 24 square centimeter. Here 11 into 7. So 11 into 7, 77 square inches. Here length into breadth, 16 into 3, 16 3s are 48 square feet. Here length into breadth, so 20 into 7, 140 square millimeter. Clear? So in today's session we learned area and perimeter, right? Thank you for watching the video.